In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company on FreshBooks. Navigating a new software can feel daunting, but setting up your business on FreshBooks is a straightforward process and really enhances your efficiency. FreshBooks is an excellent tool for managing your accounting needs, and by the end of this setup, you'll have your business ready to go. To kick things off, once you've signed up for FreshBooks, you'll want to access the settings. You'll find the settings section on the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll be able to tailor FreshBooks exactly to your business needs. Think of this as the command center for all your configurations. Next, let's move on to updating your brand appearance. In the brand appearance section, you'll be able to drag and drop your company logo. Doing this is crucial because it ensures that all of your invoices and estimates will automatically include your professional branding. It's these small touches that create a polished and consistent image for your clients, so take a moment to get the branding just right. Now, let's dive into setting your financial information. In the tax and financial information section, you'll want to set your correct operating currency. Getting this information accurate from the beginning is important to avoid any transactional hiccups later. The currency you select should match how you normally operate your business finances, ensuring smooth operations moving forward. Following that, we'll focus on updating your business information. You want to confirm your legal business name and, if applicable, your doing business as name. It's essential for your records and for anyone dealing with your business to have this clarity. Next, you'll need to choose your business structure, such as a sole proprietorship or corporation, and then select the appropriate industry category. It's also necessary to enter your business address and phone number to help FreshBooks provide the most tailored experience for your needs. This information will also be reflected in your communications and documentation generated through the platform. Once you've got your business details sorted, it's time to add some crucial elements to your FreshBooks account. Begin by adding team members if you have people who will share or manage accounts with you. This feature will allow them access to pertinent information and tasks. Don't forget to add clients, which can help you track every transaction and also add any services and items you regularly invoice for. This feature allows you to easily select them when billing, saving significant time, and reducing potential errors. And there you have it, a comprehensive setup on FreshBooks for your company. Now you're ready to explore and utilize all the features FreshBooks has to offer, leaving you more time to focus on what you do best.